Hi everyone, it's Angela here. Welcome to my channel. Has your bobbin holder ever looked like a total mess, or you've accidentally knocked it over or dropped it? Just get some clear vinyl tubing from the hardware store or garden center. Make sure it's not too flimsy and that the inner circumference is slightly smaller than your bobbin. Use a new blade on an X-Acto knife and cut a length of the tubing. I'm just cutting mine 10 inches or 25 centimeters long. Carefully hold the tube vertically and slice down the entire length, and then make another cut half an inch beside it. You can draw lines on the tube if you want it nice and straight, but I didn't bother. Load up your bobbins with about a finger's space between each one. That way it's easy for you to remove them. You can punch a hole in the vinyl tubing and hang it on your wall. You can also make holes on both ends and screw it down to a tabletop or a wall. Here I've just hung it on my slat wall hooks. So this is just a quick and cheap way of storing and keeping your bobbins neat. If you found this video helpful, please share and hit that like button and notification bell. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next sewing video. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy sewing.